layer of toxic smog has engulfed the national capital. We have visuals from the ITO area. CPCB claims that the AQI in the area is at 402, categorized as severe, and GRAP 3 restrictions have been reimposed in Delhi NCR. So, Arzu, we had been seeing that there was some respite from air pollution. We were hovering in the very poor zone, but now it's again back into the hazardous zone. 402 was the AQI that was recorded at ITO, and in fact now GRAP 3 restrictions have been reimposed. Take us through all these updates, Arzu.
Well, definitely, seeing the condition of the national capital as the air quality has once again deteriorated, the government has implemented the GRAP stage 3 in the national capital, under which there will be several restrictions that will be seen. And also, if we talk about the air quality, as we can clearly see through the data, the overall AQI of the national capital is in the very poor category, which is 368. And also, if we show you the other places of the national capital, if we talk about the Anand Vihar, one of the hotspot where the AQI usually remains above all the places, is being recorded in the very, is in the severe category, which is 442. And also, as you can see, all the places are in the red zone. At Chandni Chowk also, the AQI is 427, severe category. And also at Dwarka Sector 8, the AQI 407. Once again, the severe category. ITO also, Jahangir Puri, these are all the places being recorded in the severe category. And also, most of these stations, most of the places of the national capital are being recorded in the very poor to severe category. The situation is very alarming. And also, if we talk about the visuals, there is a smog that can clearly be seen. The mixture of fog and the pollution that is prevailing right now in the national capital, affecting a lot of things, especially the travel has been impacted. There are several flights that are being delayed from the IGI airport. The arrival and departure of several flights have been impacted, are being delayed. And also, if we talk about the railways, the central and northern railway have been impacted. There are several trains that are running delay. The delay of around 30 minutes to 3 hours is being seen in several trains also. And also, if we can clearly see, the speed of the vehicles have also gone down on roads, and because the visibility is very less, it's very tough to drive in such a condition. And also, it is advised for the people who are coming out in such a weather condition to carefully drive outside, because the situation is very alarming, and this might take you to hit any incident also, because we usually see on the highways the incident happen because of the dense fog when the visibility is less. So it's very important to be very careful while driving in such a weather condition. Yes.
All right, Arzu, thank you so much.